Hey everyone, today we're diving into the Lexmark C950 X95x Fuser Maintenance Kit. This maintenance kit is a comprehensive solution containing everything you need to keep your printer in top shape. From the transfer belt to the various rollers and filters, it's a complete package for maintaining optimal printing quality. The kit includes an ITU maintenance kit specifically designed for the C950 X95x, ensuring compatibility and ease of use. What's impressive is the inclusion of the transfer belt, empty developer housing, carrier beads for each color, transfer belt cleaner, second transfer roll, suction filter, and multiple sets of feed, pick, and separation rolls. This not only covers routine replacements but also ensures consistent and high-quality prints, extending the life of your printer. Installation might seem overwhelming at first due to the various components, but the kit comes with clear instructions, making the process manageable for most users. The screen size of 9.5 inches on the printer interface aids in user-friendly guidance. However, this kit is tailored more towards personal use rather than commercial settings due to its specific inclusions and quantity. With only one HDMI port, connectivity options might be limited for some users, although this doesn't hinder its primary maintenance function. Overall, the Lexmark C950 X95x Fuser Maintenance Kit stands out for its completeness and compatibility. It's a reliable solution for those seeking to maintain their Lexmark printers without hassle, ensuring continued high-quality prints and extending the life of your machine. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.